how to convert an iPhone video to slow motion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily convert any iPhone video into slow motion. Alright, first open up the App Store on your iPhone and search for CapCut. It's a free video editor, so go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, open the app, tap on New Project. Now choose the video you want to turn into slow motion and tap Add at the bottom right. Once your video is on the timeline, you've got two choices: either make the entire video slow motion or just a specific part. If it's the whole thing, just tap on the video in the timeline. But if you only want part of it slowed down, scroll through the timeline and tap Split at the point where you want the slow motion to start. Then move forward and split again where you want it to end. Now tap on the middle part, the portion you want to slow down. Scroll through the options below and tap on Speed. Then tap Normal. From here, drag the slider left to decrease the speed. We'll see the effect in real time, so adjust it to your liking. Once you're happy with the result, tap the export icon at the top right. CapCut will save your slow-mo video directly to your gallery. And that's it. If this helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.